Never raced, no burnouts, ever.
No.
So much yellow. Looks like Nardi has some competition for cleanest yellow C6Z.
Yeah, even his exhaust is clean.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This thing is pretty clean. Guesses?
Not really.
Not really?
Not really.
I'm going 475.
I'm going too higher than you.
Too higher? You're a dick. I hope it's lower. Alright, 475, 477. Cheater.
I'll take it.
Yeah. I'm not going to complain like Eric. Congratulations, you won. Hey, buddy.
Really?
What?
See if you can't wiggle this bitch out.
Yeah, wiggle that bitch out.
I think I might have got it myself.
There you go.
I did.
All I did was walk around it.
You didn't even need them. Oh, please don't do that ever again.
I made the other one fall out.
So what are you doing, axles?
Nah, control arm.
Oh, sweet. Is that what those are, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. Those are some interesting looking control arms.
Yeah, aren't they?
So he's going to be able to full send it this at the call out?
He's got stock diff still. Oh. But that's the game plan. He's going to fucking send it.
Although this will probably air after the call out video, so whatever. Junk!
About right.
God.
You're dreaming over there again?
He's so gay.
Tyler! Now I need you to slip it in.
You would.
Eric, stop overcompensating again.
Your mother knows that, and you got too big.
His mother knows how small his PP is. It's his mother.
Slide it in. Okay.
Did you both call each other today? So you're going to wear Holly shirts?
No, because I wear Holly shirts every day. I'm pretty sure Tyler does too. I almost wore that long sleeve tee that I got yesterday, you know? Did you wear yours today, Steve?
He hasn't given me one.
Yeah, no, he doesn't want to.
Bill doesn't want to give me one. Okay, let's see how it is. What, are you here to supervise your own car?
No. I'll supervise you, but I'm not supervising Eric.
Oh, okay.
Eric's the boss. We all know that.
No one knows that.
you actually don't really think.
I stand here and watch.
No, you talk about your BMW.
No.
You talk about
Blue BMW, sick.
It's Esterol blue, okay? Well, the engine's out.
Yep.
Good job. Smooth.
Cool. Well, there it is.
Sure is. Damaged crank.
Yeah.
So we're doing
5-inch intake.
5-inch intake?
Yep.
So this is kind of like a...
ZL1, I guess. I mean, it's the LS3 with a LSA blower, but
Okay.
we're gonna try to put our 5-inch intake on it and see how it does.
See what it picks up.
Yep.
A few moments later.
Hi there. So, all we did was our 5-inch intake.
Yep.
Same day, same dyno.
That's it.
So no one on the internet can be like, that's not like real games.
No, they can't.
What's it picked up so far?
That was like the first pull I did.
Okay.
I don't know what it baseline. Like 610
Yeah,
maybe.
607, 609, something like that. 590 torque or something like that.
Just made 647 and
17 and I only revved it to like 6,000.
Okay.
And that was like first pull after I flashed it.
Okay.
It's a little rich right now.
Yeah, and it looked like the tune before was good too. Like air fuel and all that stuff was good.
Yeah, I didn't even look at it, to be honest with
When
you.
we baselined it, I was looking at it. It was like constant 10.9.
It's a little fat, but nothing crazy.
Yeah.
Tight. It's probably got red Loctite. Yeah, every bolt has Loctite on it, which I love.
So would you break?
I don't know yet. Something.
Probably the trends.
I'm gonna say it's not.
Yeah?
I don't think it's the trend.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
What do you think it is then?
I don't know. Drive shaft, maybe converter.
Okay.
The converter's done some funky. I don't know if it's just the way it was like, you know, made, and then now I'm changing the setup, but it always like, I would make a run and it would go up and then it would kind of like bog down a little bit and then come back up. But I don't know. I don't think that trans has been. I mean, if it broke, I'm not surprised because it's been in there since I built the car, which is 4 years ago, and I've never touched the trans.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, and it's had countless fucking passes on it. So,
Okay,
I mean,
this bitch is gonna wanna start coming.
Yeah. We'll see if it wants to go forward or backward. Should we start? Oh, you got one. Is that the last bolt in there? I was gonna say you might need to tilt it back some instead of tilted forward. Tilted towers.
I knew that was coming.
Yeah. They might need to pry it out of the rear too. There it goes. Okay. I need to roll it down some.
Okay, good.
Okay. Good?
Yep.
You're clear. You're clear. Just watch that vent.
Alright.
See how it's stuck.
Zip tied. I want to pull the converter apart and see if it's something inside the converter too. You want to pull it out while we're f***ing sitting here?
Yeah, let me get a pan. Pan right there. Yeah, what time was it? It was about 5 o'clock when I started pulling this thing out.
Yeah, it took you about an hour. Not even.
Not even. I think it's like 5:30. 5:34.
Clean looking fluid. The shaft's coming out with it.
Yeah, it will.
It will?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna wear another pan.
Which the woman might not be happy about, but
What?
she's like, now that your car's broke, she's like, we don't have to race next weekend. Can we just relax? Yeah. So if it is just a drive shaft, now we're going racing this weekend. Sorry, babe.
Sweet. Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah, no, not sorry, really. Where's the bolt spread over here?
I don't know if it's Loctite holding it in there or what. I know you.
Never raced. No burnouts. Ever.
No.
Oh, we can get this thing out.
Oh, I'll call Drive Shaft Shop. Overnight me that motherfucker. We'll go test Wednesday.
She'll love that.
No. She already asked me about Wednesday too. She's like, you like testing any customers' cars on Wednesday? I'm like, nope. I wouldn't go test Wednesday. I don't need to test this thing. It's tested. I threw some bullshit at it this weekend and went a 117.60.
You went 117 before though, didn't you?
That's been 115.
Okay, that's what I thought. Sorry about that, the microphone died, but it wasn't the drive shaft, and Fran took apart the torque converter and everything seemed okay, so we sent the trans out to RPM Transmissions, so we will find out. This is the one we just did, what? We just did headers?
And a VRM.
VRM, okay. Baseline, I think I recall like 406? Something like that, 405, 406?
Don't know.
Something like that, which is pretty strong for a...
LS3 car?
Yeah,
Mud headers?
it's not bad. And it's got like 70,000 miles on it, so... here you go, gonna tell me the exact. Here we are.
I have no idea.
72.
How do you know how many miles it has on it?
Because I moved it. And I have a...
76,575.
Yeah, so I was way under this time.
So therefore you should do what?
Round up.
There you go. Not the weed killer.
That was the horrible.
That's what Roundup is.
Roundup. I think we actually have some Roundup over there.
It's over there on the shelf.
Just saying. Sweet. So LS3, headers, VRM, X-Pipe, no cats?
Yeah.
Cats? Okay. Alright. So maybe 440?
Doubt it.
You don't think so?
No.
Okay. We'll see. Find out.
It's like the longest pull ever.
Yeah, that seems really long.
Because it's only making 440 horsepower.
Hey, like right where I said, damn, I'm good. This
I
time.
don't know about cat.
This time I'm good.
Yeah.
I called.
Yeah, you did.